Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this creepy mask, creepy face without VIP or custom makeup and dress to impress. This is perfect if you don't have it, and that is totally fine. But to make your face creepy, you are going to use, if I can find it, the mask item. Oh, it's here. And then you're going to select the silk material for both. Go to patterns and find the eye pattern, this one for both, and then you're going to get this as well, and then again add in the silk material as well as the creepy patterns here, and maybe cover it up with some bangs so you can't see the seams here, which I'm going to do right now. Like that. And that is how you can create a creepy face on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.